Okay, let's begin. This video will show you how to make a CD using the Kunaki.com service. First, go to the website Kunaki.com. Great! Now we are here and we can start. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with the information on the website. Prices. Technical information for your review will not hurt. Since we are now interested in CDs, we go to the appropriate section on the website. Okay. In this section, you can also view information about the CDs produced by Kunaki. Please read the information. Here are the prices for services, information for advanced users regarding the size of files used by the service. For example, if you know how, you can draw your own cover or a label on the disc itself before disc production. All sizes for this can be found on this page. File sizes for printing on the top side of the disc. Here you see jewel case print dimensions. A little lower you see jacket case print dimensions. You can use these dimensions to pre-create a design for your CD. But if you don't know how to do it, don't worry. You can create a beautiful design on this service, and we'll show you how to do it a little later. So, now we've reached the point where we're going to start creating our CD. Pay attention to how your disc will be packaged. Here you can choose jewel case, DVD case, jacket case, white case, or no case disc-only options. Look at it carefully and choose what you need. Great! Let's press the Upload Audio Files and Artwork button. You need to register in the system if you haven't done so yet. Register as a new user using your email. It's simple here. Return to the File Upload button. Great! Here is the upload page for our files. You can review the specifications for your artwork again if you are interested and want to make the design yourself. Please review. Maybe you want to make yourself a DVD or vinyl record after the CD. So here we see a form for uploading graphic and audio files on server. When you upload files, you immediately see the result, what your product will look like. Just below is a form where you can upload your audio files. Below is a form where you specify the name of your project. If you have previously prepared a design for your CD, you can immediately upload the files. I have several files. Maybe I can choose something for an example. Now we will upload to the server the file that will be printed on the disc itself. I will choose one. I think this would be a good example if you have a ready-made design for your CD. But if you don't have prepared files, you can do it using the Jewel Case and Disc web-based design tool on this website. Let's click on this button. This is a page for creating cover designs, CD artwork designs, and other printed materials for CD production. Now I'm going to pick a file for this project. Let it be a disk that I'm going to give to my grandfather in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I guess you should choose something heartfelt, like what he loves. You probably already know the name of your project. We'll come up with something here right now. Grandpa, Soul Beats. Text information can be copied to all forms at once. We also write the project name in the form for the spine text. You can also add a subtitle, highlight it with a different color and font. Let it be something like, "From Albert with Love." We also reproduce this inscription. We add minor points. According to the plan, think about what information you need to add, or maybe one word is enough. It's all up to you. In this way, we insert photos, add text information, change fonts, their color and size. This way, you can create a great cover for your CD. Be bold and creative in your work, and you will get the best out of it. Okay, we're done with placing the texts, and we can now save our graphic files to disk. This is what we do with all the files we create. We save everything to disk. Great, all 4 files are ready. So now, we return to the page for uploading our files.
We take the files we previously downloaded and upload them sequentially to the server, each file in its own form.
The delivery turned out great. Everything is in its place. It's great. Now we can upload our audio files. Add selected files and upload them. We have selected the files we need. We add the project name. Since I just selected the files, I'll now go through the entire page and click the Upload button, making sure I don't miss anything. Check that each file has been uploaded. So, all that's left to do is click on the Submit Product button. Next, you will be taken to the payment page. Okay, we've created a great CD. Use the Kunaki.com service.